All right, welcome to day 4 of crafts for our 5th and 6th graders. We have been working on a foundation of promise. And in our Bible study, we learned about just after Jesus had died, that he had paid the price, proved that we were worth it. They had put him in a tomb, which is like a cave, and they sealed it with a big boulder. And they put a few guards there to make sure that no one took the body. Well, a few days later, the women were going to add spices and perfume to Jesus' body. And we can only imagine how they felt. Sad, completely devastated that the Jesus that they loved and had loved them was now dead. So they're walking to the tomb, and they get there, and they see the boulder, the stone is rolled away, and the cave, the tomb, is empty. So now, if I was them, I'd be like, what just happened? Like, someone stole Jesus' body. How did even that big boulder get moved? Where are the guards? And then there was an earthquake, and there was a bright light, and they saw an angel. And the angel told them, don't be afraid, because now they're feeling afraid. Don't be afraid. The one that you are looking for is no longer here. He is alive, just as he told you, just as he promised you. And then the angel told them, go and tell everybody else. So the women are running back to the town to tell everybody else that Jesus is alive. He's no longer in the tomb. And then Jesus appeared to them, and he told them, remember, I will never leave you. That is a promise that he gave them, and it's a promise that he has made us. He will never leave us. So he will never let go. See what I did there? Jesus will never let go of us. So your craft is the photo frame that has the Legos. So go ahead and get that kit out of your bag. Okay, and this is the completed product. All right, so I want you to pay attention. So you will have 2 pieces of cardboard. One is a little bit bigger than the other, and it doesn't have anything written on it, but I want you to write the verse. So this is our bonus verse of the day. It is, I am with you to the end of the age, Matthew 28. Okay, so you're going to write that. We have markers, you have a pencil, whatever you want to use, but you're going to want to write it nicely because that's what's going inside the photo frame. Okay, you also have some Lego strips. It's called Lego tape. Okay, now here's where this activity is only for 5th and 6th because you guys are smart enough to figure this out. I would do the longer strips first. Oh, also a note. The Lego tape came in a coil, and so its natural shape is like this. It does not want to lay flat. If you have hot glue at your house, maybe your parents or your grandparents, you might want to use the hot glue. All right, so you're going to want to do the long ones first. I choose to put it near the white. Oh, so you're going to glue that white in there. You wrote on it. So I would do that. Now, before you can do the next one, because you won't know how far apart to put this one. So you're going to need to put down one of your smaller strips, maybe at the bottom. Oh, look, it matches up perfectly. So now you're going to want this one, and you're going to want it to be as close to the other edge as possible because these are Legos, and we know that, they come in specific sizes, right? Okay, so go ahead and finish off all 4 edges. So it might look something like that. Okay, now it is completely your choice what order you put your Legos in. If you can, I think it's kind of cool to make one piece go over a corner and kind of like join them together. It might not match up that way. So if it doesn't quite match up that way, so for instance, this one doesn't quite match up. So I'll just do it like this. And you're probably going to want to alternate your colors. So the purple is the only one. Well, the purple and the pink is one bag, and another bag is red and blue. But there's always one that's like a single block. You're going to want to put those together because there's no other single blocks. But other than that, you can decide what order it goes in. Okay, so I'm looking, and it's 5 left. I don't have any 5, but I have 3 and I have 2. So I'm going to do a 3 and then I will do a 2. Okay,